Hey guys, I'm for transcripts and sorry for the wait, but I'm back. So, in this episode or part, we're gonna make a battle feature like for an RPG game. Alright, so first let's start off by setting up a little bit. So, model script, uh, rename the model script to global, uh, returnal, there you are, and in the main, do configuration, stats. This will be the enemy stats. So enemy stats. So this is like a template. So enemy stats template. Um, let's int value. Rename this to damage. This is how much the enemy will damage the player. And health, which will be 80. Just make it 0 for now since it's a template. Alright, so in the global module script, uh, so g dot enemy stats equals, so the ducky, which will be our enemy, so help equals 80 and damage will be 2. That's it. That's all we need. Alright. Let's start off with interaction module. So, I'll say tractable. All right, go to interaction. If status in the talk function, I'll just do uh else if interactable dot parent equals enemy, then parent dot name equals enemies. So what will you need to do is actually let's just do this. All right, so this is much easier. All right, so in the interaction model, local global equals hmm, requires script.parent.global. Local enemy stats equals global dot actually g dot um, enemy stats. There are all right. Else if enemy hmm, I mean enemy stats table that find enemy stats interactable. I think that should work. All right. What else? All right. If status equals to battle start Then local random text equals dialogues interactable.name battle text mat.random 1 2. So dialogue frame dot visible equals to false. Dialogue frame dot dialogue text uh, dot text equals random text. Hmm. Task dot weight 1.5. Then dialogue frame dot visible equals to false. Dialogue frame no dialogue dot text equals to empty. Let's make another function here called battle interactable, which will be an instance, player, which will be a player. All right. Uh, local player GUI equals player fan first child player GI. Local main GI equals player GI fan first child main GI. I think that it's called. Alright, and we will need a battle frame. Since I already made the battle frame, I'll just show you. Hmm. Um, put it in main GI. Oh wait, yep. We already have a battle frame. This is my battle frame. But first, we will first implement the attack button, not the other buttons. So you can copy the names, make sure to copy them. The battle, the battle frame, the buttons frame shall be inside the a frame called buttons. All right, let's make it. Okay. Interaction. So local battle frame equals main GUI and first child battle. Uh, yep, just battle. All right. If interactable again is not nil, then talk interactable battle start player battle frame dot visible equals to true player dot character dot humanoid root part. Actually, let's just stick this for now. Go to your main uh script, so local global Montreal equals to require script dot parent dot oh no script dot global. um right, okay, over here for underscore button impairs battle buttons, get children, you. If button is a text button, then button dot mouse will click connect function. So if button dot name equals if, yeah, if button dot name equals to attack, then interaction module. Uh, hmm, attack. Oh yep. I forgot. Go to interaction. Um, function module attack. We will need interactable, which will be an instance, and the player, which will be the player. Local enemy help equals interactable. Wait for child stats. Find first child help. If enemy help is not nil or zero, then enemy help that the value negative mat.random on enemy help dot value. Alright, so else warn enemy help value is already empty. Alright, so repeat task dot wait until enemy help dot the value equals 0 do module uh, end the battle. Alright, let's make the end battle function. Function module end battle player, which will be the player. Local player GUI equals player and first child player GUI. Local main GUI equals player GUI and first child main GUI. Local battle frame equals main GUI fun first child battle. Battle frame not visible equals to crew. Oh, false. Print ended battle player. Alright, and we'll talk interactable enemy died. Let's do it right now. So layer. Yeah, we forgot in the dialogue. So the donkey equals Yep, the ducky. Battle text 1 equals quack, quack. Battle text 2 equals quacky. Enemy died 1 equals quack. And enemy died 2 equals quack. Alright. Yep. Alright. So else if status equals enemy died, then just copy all of this. And that's it. Local random text, enemy died. We'll just go to the main function, then attack and interactable on player. And alright, I think that's it. Let's test first. Am I doing something wrong? Oh yeah, in fact, I am doing something wrong. Just wait. Yep, I am doing something wrong. Alright, if interactable is the model, then else if in table dot find um g dot enemy stats hmm, um interactable, then we'll just local enemy stat equals g dot enemy stats interactable dot name local cloned enemy stat equals script dot um enemy stats template enemy stats template dot name equals to stats enemy stats template dot parent equals to interactable enemy stats template dot health dot value equals to enemy stats dot health enemy stats template dot damage dot the value equals enemy stats dot damage. Yep. Uh, I think that's it. All right. If interactable is a model then clone prompt var dot position equals interactable dot humanoid report dot position, else if interactable is a base part. Wait. Yep. Um, mesh part or any base part actually. So mesh part then clone prompt. Also if interactable or interactable is a just a part or what's a type of part? Okay, there aren't any parts, so there's not that. Alright, then end. Yep, there you are. Alright, I think that's it. So we just don't have to do this anymore. So we don't workspace. Alright, alright. Wait. Alright, make sure to go to instance tagging tag window. Make sure the enemy is checked as interactable. Alright, click play. Alright, it should. Alright, it doesn't work. Um, well, expected. Oh, alright, sorry about that. Um, I forgot a. Make sure to add a comma and any. Alright, and there isn't no any errors. It's okay, success nil. But is there any? Alright, there isn't. Some things. Alright, there is a prompt part, but where is it? Um, the prompt part is there? How did I get there? Alright, F. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh wait, I think I. Oh, yep. My bad. Wait. So interaction. Yep, I have written. I did something wrong. So, go to your interaction. Yep, in this interaction module, also if table.find uh, enemy stats, which is the global variable, interactable dot name. Oh yeah, all right, interactable dot name. So interactable, 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 interactable dot name, interactable, 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 interactable. All right, that's it. But I still have no idea how the front part got there. Hmm. Oh wait, I think I know why. So if you put that to workspace, yep, I didn't or haven't position it up. Oh well, then battle interactable player. That's it. So click play. Huh? I don't think so, but they do work. So fine, let's not be lazy and just use regular folders. Just make a regular folder, enemies, the ducky. Actually, let's do something. Oh, wait. Table.find else if interactable.parent.name equals enemies, then else if interactable.parent.name equals to enemies. Alright, let's use pivots. Like pivots. Where's the pivot? Edit pivot. Yep, this thing. The get pivot function. Uh, get pivot. Interactable dot position dot position equals audio interactable get pivot. Right, wait. Oh wait, my bad. Clone prompt art dot position equals interactable get pivot. Alright. Alright. So let's just remove this. And if alright. Clone prompt art dot C frame not interactable get pivot I think that should work. Alright, let's test it out. Alright. Yep, they work. Very cool. So, yep, there you are. They all work. Alright. I it has been 30 minutes, so I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Tomorrow or soon, I will post part 3 of the hmm, RPG game series. This is part 1 of 3 or 2 of the battle feature or something. Either way, I hope y'all enjoyed and learned something new today. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.